everybody, Denver Pilates girl here. Today we're talking about the piriformis. Now, if you've experienced tight hamstrings, this muscle is definitely to blame. Or if you have sciatica, a lot of times the piriformis is a muscle that sits on top of it. And if it's tight, it can cause pressure on your sciatic nerve, causing pain down your leg, zingers. It can go from just your top of your leg, or it can go all the way down. Let me show you an easy stretch. Lay on your back, cross your right ankle over your left knee, and take your hand and push that right knee forward. Now you notice I'm not pressing directly on the knee, I'm just above it. And just press and hold that position. That's just enough to open that hip. Now, if this is easy for you and you're not feeling much of a stretch, then I want you to progress the exercise to make it a little harder. Now, your left leg, I want you to bring it in the air and grab behind your left hamstring and hold the position. Now, you might not be as flexible with this. Let me show you a different way. So if you happen to have a strap at home, grab a strap. It can be a belt loop, it can be a yoga tie, whatever it is. Put it on your left foot. Okay, hold it there, don't let it come off. Now cross your right ankle on top. Grab it. And now when you're ready to do that stretch again, use the strap to help pull your left leg to you if you can't get your hands to the hamstring. And this just might be enough for you here, and hold it. And if you're feeling it, just take a couple of breaths in and out. And release. I want you to do which version is going to work best for you. Now, if you don't have a yoga strap, here's your third option for the stretch. Face a wall. Put your left leg and right leg on the wall. I got a little pillow here for my head. And take your right ankle over your left, and then just push that right ankle, push the right knee forward and just hold the position. That way you're closing the chain, your left leg is supported, and it is going to work. One of these is going to work for you. And release. Of course, you would do the other side. Depending on what I program for you, pick one of those three versions, whichever is going to work best for you. Know that your body is going to be different from day to day, and treat it as it is today. If one of them's bugging you, try a different version. Until next time, I'll see you on your mat. Bye.